Struggling to find where to share your Wise referral link on X? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to post it and start earning. We'll go from your Wise account profile to posting the referral link on X in just a few clicks. Let's start. All right, the first thing you need to do is log into your Wise account. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the page where you see your profile icon. It's usually a little circle with your initials or a picture if you've added one. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Now this is where we find the referral options. From that menu, look for the option that says Referrals. It's usually listed right alongside things like Settings or Account. Click on Referrals. This takes you to your referral hub. And here's the really important part. You're going to see a few different options on this page. What we want is the main call to action, the big button that says Refer and Earn. Sometimes it might say something like Invite Friends, but look for Refer and Earn. Click that. Now your personal referral link is generated right on this next page. You'll see your unique link displayed clearly, and below it you'll find a Share button. Don't just copy the link manually and leave the page. Click the Share button. This is what gives you the proper sharing options that Wise has set up. A sharing menu pops up. You'll see a few different icons for different apps and platforms, email, messaging apps, and so on. Look for the X logo, which used to be Twitter. Click on Share to X. And that's it. Your browser or the Wise app will open up a new post on X with your referral link already pasted in. You can add your own message to it. Something like, "Love using Wise for cheap international transfers. Check it out." And then just hit post. From stuck with a referral link you don't know what to do with, to having it live on your X profile in just a few minutes. Now, you're all set to start earning those referral bonuses. Go ahead and give it a try.